Hi guys, this is what we're gonna do today. Horizontal scroll-based animation. I have the prototype here in Sketch and I grouped the screen into folders. Details, which is this part, the menu bar, and the scroll area, which is the part where everything is gonna happen technically. So now let's move to FLINTO, import the prototype, and go directly to our scroll area where we're going to work. This is going to be the behavior that I'm going to create, but first, if I want the scroller is the invisible layer that we're going to move throughout the screen and create states where everything happens when you scroll the slider. To make this scrollable, I have to create a new group, name it a scroller, make it a horizontal scroll, go to scroll folder and create a behavior. Now, my states, the numbers, are visible right now, but when we finish creating all the states, we'll make these numbers invisible and they will only come to 100% opacity when the slider reaches the point. We're going to create twice the number of the stops here. One state for each stop and another state for half a stop where both numbers go invisible and the other one comes to view when you reach the point. You'll see it as I progress. So next state, we're going to move the indicator for 36 pixels. We're also going to adjust the color and the spot for the slider each time we create a state. The next state for indicator will be plus 39. We'll do the math for you. Oh, shoot. And determine the distance between the numbers you're gonna have this slider move. We have created all the states for the slider to travel from one point to another. You're gonna have to disable or not disable, lower the opacity for these numbers when they're not needed. For example, in the first screen, to do that, better to bring them all down, except the first one, and then bring them in one by one. So at this half state, we're not gonna see any of the numbers, so 13 goes down as well. This state, we're gonna see 14, we're still not gonna see 13, and so on. Finished hiding all the numbers except those that I need. Oops. You can see I have it visible every other state, and so on to 28. That's a little bit adjusting. So once done, we're gonna have to switch the scroller and add movement for each state. I'm gonna connect the initial state to the next state, and again, FLINTO gives me a scroll gesture automatically because it's a scroll group. And now I'll have to tell this scroller, the invisible layer that we have, how far it has to travel before the state changes from initial to this one. So it's going to be from 0 to 36 because the distance the slider travels here in the beginning is 36 pixels. When you do your math and you separate each state with the sliders and the distance, you write down your numbers and it'll make your life easier when you reach this point. So So yeah, we'll have to do that for each screen. This one will connect to this one, and it will start from 36 where we were left last time, and it will go all the way to 36 plus 39, so it'll travel this distance. As you notice, even though we're going to move from this side to this side, the scroller gives it settings here. Don't let it confuse you. So yeah, you have to do that for all the screens. Once you're done connecting the scroller layer to each state, you'll see that as you slide and move through the path, the scroller also travels the screen and also changes the color and the state. So if you've done everything correctly and followed all the instructions, you're gonna have something like this. Yep, there you have it.